In this video, I'm going to explain the importance of a bank statement for a UK visit visa, how to maintain it, and the immigration rules you need to know. When applying for a UK visit visa, the bank statement serves as proof that you have enough funds to cover your travel expenses, including accommodation, flights, and daily living costs during your stay. The Home Office will look at your financial stability to ensure that you won't rely on public funds. To maintain a strong bank statement, it's important to have consistent transactions, showing income, savings, and regular activity over at least the last 28 days before applying. Avoid large, unexplained deposits, as these could raise red flags. Your balance should meet the visa's financial requirement, which varies depending on the type of visa and your travel plans. Ensure that your bank statement is recent, signed, or stamped by your bank. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more UK visa tips.